I was 16 when I discovered the transformative power of education. What began as a simple high school project evolved into the African Education Program. A movement empowering children, youth, and women to shape their futures and become the leaders their communities deserve and need to thrive. Over the next 6 months, youth will turn this land into a thriving, climate-resilient food hub. This is where our youth are going to learn a new craft, bio-fabrication.
AEP creates quality and inclusive educational opportunities for local youth on their journey to a sustainable future. Partnering with Kia and the Waste Lab on the Seeds of Change initiative reinforces this mission. Just like composting builds healthy soil, education strengthens communities.
The youth will experience firsthand how composting, gardening, and biofabrication all connect. At AEP, the youth don't just learn. Like young Julianne, every youth here has the potential to create real change.
Composting enriches the soil, gardens provide materials, harvesting yields resources, biofabrication transforms them into textiles.
When nurtured with knowledge and resources, people don't just grow, they thrive, creating impact that lasts generations.
That the soil is just around there, should just know that the soil is good.
Kia, movement that inspires.